In this video, we're going to go through how to create a document index very quickly. So the first thing I suggest you do is have all of the documents that you want within your index in the one folder. So I've just got a test folder here with a number of documents. And the first thing I'll do is click on New File. That's going to create a new file for my index. I'm just going to name it Index. And then I'm going to go over to Actions. And under Actions, you'll see I've got Document Index. Now, before I can click on that, I need to go and select my folder with all of the documents in it. Or I can individually select documents that I would like in my index. So I come here and select my folder and all the documents in it. If I didn't want all of the documents, I could remove some of those or I can add in more. I'll click on Done. Now I'll click on Document Index. And you'll notice I've got options here. I can select the length, short, medium, or long. Then I'll just click on Start and let it create the index for me. Once it comes back, you can see it says View Full Index. If I click on that button, you'll see that it's given me the name of the document and the short description. Now, if I've got multiple pages, it will allow me to select them there. The next thing I would like to do is I want to show the links to the actual documents in the index. So let's click on View Full Index again, and you'll notice that we've got the board meeting minutes. We've got the short description, and then we've got a link to the actual document within our system. So what we can do is click on Insert Index. And very quickly, we have now got our index in here. You can see there's 2 pages. We've got our short description. We've got our link to our document. So all that's left to do now is to go and share our folder. So if we go back to the home page and find our folder, here admin, we click on Share. What we can now do is we can share that publicly with someone. So let's say we're sharing it with external counsel. We can click on that, click on Generate New Link. Let's say our barrister is called Bob the Builder. We can type that there. Now, by default, Bob can view all the documents in here. If we want Bob to be able to comment on the documents, we can. If we want Bob to be able to edit the documents, we can also turn that on. And we will force track changes so that he can't edit anything in there without us knowing. We can also set a password here for Bob so that the data room is secure. Let's just open up a new browser here and I will paste in Bob's link. You can see that it doesn't let me access the content until I unlock it. And now I can see all of the documents in here. I can see the index. And away we go.